Come test drive the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, ventilated front seats, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.